Win and Will and V. How to draw a bird? No. Okay, so look at the picture there. Look at the picture there. What do you draw first? Do you draw the wing or do you draw an oval? Now you draw an oval in the middle of the paper. Yes? No? Look at the picture again. What do you draw first? Look at the picture. What do you draw first? You draw the what? You draw an oval in the middle of the paper. Yes? Yes. So draw an oval in the middle of the paper. Next, you draw what? Do you draw two outlines or you draw a triangle at the bottom of the oval? Look at the picture. What do you draw next? Draw two outlines or draw a triangle? Now, you draw a triangle at the bottom of the body, okay? Next, you draw what? Draw two outlines. Next, draw two outlines, okay? One outline, two outlines. And then you draw what? The lower parts of the wings, okay? And then what do you do next? You draw what? You draw smaller over on top of the body, okay? On top, at the bottom, okay? Bottom, top, okay? On top of the, look, on top of the body, you draw smaller over, okay? And you draw what next? Draw the eyes. And then you draw what next? Draw the beak. That is a beak. Okay, that is a beak. Okay? And then you draw what next? What are these? Well, you draw the feather. Okay? And then you draw what?